My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
date bread. For this you will need 1 pound of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of Trex, Crisco or Lard, 1 ounce of sugar, 6 ounces of chopped dates, half a pint of milk. First mix in the salt and the flour. Now rub in your vegetable shortening, Trex, Crisco or even Lard. Now stir in the sugar and the chopped dates. Turn the dough out and form into a round. Place the dough into a 7-inch, 3-inch deep cake tin. Brush over with milk. Bake for 30 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. I think this date bread will go well with a little bit of butter. Yes, bit of butter. Fruity bread, very tasty, I love it.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.